Hello again. In this video, we're going to show you how to do highlights and shadow using all the techniques of blending and strokes together. I've drawn a circle and we're just going to try and do a sphere. I'm going to show the source of light from the top right corner and leave this portion white and color the rest of the portion with the first layer. Let's lighten the pencil lines so they don't show through. We'll move on to the next layer. And go on with the third color. If you notice, I'm following the shape of the sphere. My strokes move according to the shape of the sphere. You could also use the circular stroke technique if you feel comfortable. Now to just brighten this, to brighten the color, we're going to add one more layer and burnish it a bit and try to remove the texture of the paper from beneath. Move on to the second color. And to the third color. If you notice, I've kept the first layer without the topmost layers, and as I move towards the other end of the sphere, I have added in the layers. I'm going to darken the portion on the opposite side of the highlight. To show a little more transition of color. The light source being here, this is where the form shadow is going to be. So we're going to add this umber on this part of the sphere and to the lower portion of the sphere to show shadow. Once the umber has been put, we go over the umber with the color of the lower layer and blend in the brown with the lower layers. Once this is complete, we do the cast shadow which will be on the opposite direction of the light source. The cast shadow is generally done in neutral colors. For this, I'm using the burnt sienna and the umber colors. The shape will be an ellipse and will begin from the portion which rests on the floor. I first color the whole ellipse with the lighter shade as a layer, and then I darken the portion immediately under the sphere and lighten the umber as it moves away. I go over it once more to saturate it a bit and blend the colors together. Here's your sphere. I hope you enjoyed this particular exercise. It would be a good idea for you all to try out this blending technique of highlight and shadow with different colors in a sphere or even in a cube or whatever shape that you feel like. Try out different combinations of colors and different tones of colors and try to get the smooth blends.